In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share public pages in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a clean link to a page and make sure the right people can view it without running into permission roadblocks. First, open your Confluence workspace and head to the page you want to share. If you have many pages, use the search bar or your recent pages list to get there quickly. Before you share anything, it's a good idea to ensure you have the right to view and share that page in the first place, especially if you're working in a team or a restricted space. Next, check the page's permissions. In the top right corner, click the three dots, also known as More Options, and choose Restrictions. Here, you're looking for whether the page is locked down to specific users or groups. If it's restricted, only those listed can see it. If it's open, anyone with access to your Confluence site and the link can view it. If you want broad visibility within your organization, remove tight restrictions so it's viewable to anyone on your site with the link. Quick note, every company's Confluence setup is different. If your site requires a login, people outside your organization won't be able to see the page unless your admin allows it. For truly public viewing, your admin may need to enable anonymous access at the site or space level. By the way, if you're new to Confluence or want to try it out, I've placed the official Confluence website link right at the top of the description so you can find it instantly. Now once the page is set the way you want, click the share button in the top right corner. Confluence will generate a direct link to that page. Copy that link. In some setups you might see options to mention teammates or send directly, but copying the link gives you the most flexibility. Finally, share that link wherever it makes sense. Paste it into an email, drop it in a chat, or embed it on your website or intranet. Add a short note so recipients know what they're opening. Remember, anyone with the link can view the page as long as they have permission based on the settings you reviewed earlier. A quick pro tip: test the link by opening it in a different browser profile, or asking a colleague who mirrors your target audience to confirm access. And that's it. Your Confluence page link is ready to share. If this was helpful, give it a try on one of your pages today. Thanks for watching.